Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to find square root by prime factorization method. A very simple topic and easy to do. First I'll take a very simple number so that the concept will be clear to you. So first number I'll take is 36. So as the name suggests, the method is prime factorization. So what you have to do is you will be doing prime factorization of the given number. Okay, so here I'll start doing prime factorization. So over here 36 goes in the prime number, that is it is divisible by prime number 2. So when you divide you will get answer as 18. Then again 2 9s are 18. Now 9 doesn't goes in 2 stable, so we will go to the next prime number which is 3. 3 3s are 3 1s are. I hope you all are aware of how to do prime factorization. So here I have prime factorization of number 36, which is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now what you have to remember over here, since it's a square number, right? 36 is a square of some given number. So what you will be observing is you will get a group of numbers. Okay, now here you will see that there is a group of number 2. And here the condition will be, it will be only 2 numbers in that one group. Now here you will be getting 2. You will take 2 2s in one group. And here you see that there is 3 2 times. So this will be one group. Now if there is one more 3, then it will not come together. Because since it's a square, only 2 numbers will come in one single group. So now you observe you have a proper group where there is only 2 digits. So now what you will do, take one digit from each group. So here it is 2's group, so 2, and this is 3's group, so 3. So 2 3s are 6. So what will be the square root of 36? It will be number 6. Easy? Yes? Now I'll take one more sum. Let's take a little big number, 729. Okay, now I have to find the square root of 729. Easy. Do the prime factorization. 729 is not going in the table of 2, so I'll go to the next prime number which is 3. So 3 243 3 81 3 27 3 9 3 3 3 1. Okay. Now write how many 3s are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now as I said earlier, since it's a square number, I will make a group of 2 2. Okay. Now I'll write 1 1 all the groups one time, like 1 digits from each group. So 3 from this group, 3 from the other group, and 3 from the other group. Now multiply them all. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 will be the square root of 729. Now let's take one big number. Let's do something too funny. Okay. Means big number as in the prime factorization will be big. Okay. So start doing 2 1 1 5 2 2 5 76 2 2 88 2 144 2 72 2 36 2 18s. I'll continue over here. Okay, 2 9s. Now 3 3s and 3 1s. Now I'll write the prime factorization over here. How many 2s are there? Let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times. So 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 2 times 3 3 3. Now let's make group of 2. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. So 4 times I'll write 2 and 1 group of 3. And when I multiply them all, I'll get answer as 48. So the square root of 2304 is 48. Now here there is one tip. Whenever you do prime factorization, like you are asked to find the square root of a given square number through prime factorization. You have to remember, you will 100%, okay, 100%, you will get a even numbers, like even number of times. Like if there is 2, so 2 will, like how I counted how many 2s are there here, 8, right? So like that you will get 8 times or 10 times or 2 times or 4 times or 6 times. Why? Because you will be required to make groups of 2. Okay, that's why it will be even times. If in case you do, and you end up getting here, now for example here I got 8 times, right? But in case you did some calculation and you got only 7 times, and it is said in the question that this is a square number and you have to find the square root, but you are getting it only 7 times, that means you have made some mistake in this prime factorization. So this is a very good trick or a tip you can remember, that when you are doing prime factorization, you will get even number of times. The numbers you will get even number of times. If you are getting some other odd times, then that means you have made some mistake over here in the prime factorization. Go again and check it. Okay. So this was a small tip. So I hope you understood how to find a square root by prime factorization. If yes, to do, subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tada, bye-bye.